Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at the watch lists on MatchTrader. The topmost watch list is called Top Movers, and you may easily expand or diminish the list. This list indicates symbols with the largest percentage price movement during the day. When you click on a symbol, the corresponding chart appears along with that symbol's order ticket. We will look at charting and placing orders in other videos. Just below, you will find the main watch list, which will display your favorites list. Each symbol displays the price, the spread, and the change on the day. If you click on any symbol, a mini order ticket appears with buy and sell buttons and the position size. If you click on New Order, the larger order ticket appears where you may place market orders, pending orders, and set your stop loss and take profit. You may diminish the order ticket here on the X. If you click on Info, the full details of the symbol are displayed along with the market hours. You may click on the blue star to remove the symbol from your favorites list or add a symbol to it. Clicking on Market reveals the daily change, weekly change, and monthly change, and a scale indicating where the current price is in relation to the daily highs and lows. The next three items on the economic calendar affecting that symbol can be seen here. 3 red bars represent high-impact events. The latest news that might affect that symbol is displayed here, and you may click on it to see the full story. Under All Symbols, you will see everything on offer, broken down into asset classes. Here again, you may add or remove symbols from your favorites list, and open the info panel, or open a new order. You may search for any symbol simply by typing in the first few characters and selecting the one you want. Here as well, you may add or remove symbols from your favorites list. You will also note that any changes you make to your favorites list will be reflected in your MatchTrade mobile platform. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.